Two patients, same cancer, same BRCA mutation, same therapy. One responds well, the other loses 6 months to a treatment that never had a chance. And today, medicine cannot tell them apart. We're OncoPredict, and that's exactly what we set out to fix. Our vision is simple: a molecular tag for every tumor on Earth. A world where no oncologist has to guess. They look up your tumor and they know what will actually work. We start with one brutal problem. Nearly 1 in 2 patients with BRCA-mutated cancer start a PARP inhibitor that was never going to work for them. The mutation makes them eligible, so they get the drug, but nearly half are resistant from day one, and no one can tell who, until 3 to 6 months and nearly $60,000 are gone. Every test today tells you who qualifies. None tell you if the therapy will actually work. So we asked why. Take 2 tumors with the same mutation. One responds, one doesn't. The difference isn't in the DNA, it's in the tumor's immune microenvironment. PARP inhibitors work partly by waking the immune system up. Switched on, the drug lands. Shut down, it fails. And those two states leave visibly different signatures in the tumor's RNA. Everyone reads the mutation. We read this RNA signature. We read the immune signal that predicts whether the drug works. That's OncoPredict. Feed in routine tumor RNA and in minutes answer 2 questions no one else can. 1. Will this drug work before the first dose? 2. If not, what will? And this is not just a concept. Our prototype runs end-to-end today. And here's why it wins. A test that says, don't use this drug, pharma fights. But our answer is good news to 2 customers at once. The PARP maker gets a cleaner responder population, and the immunotherapy maker gets patients they would have never found before. Same results, 2 buyers. We don't filter demand, we create it. Genetic tests only check eligibility. Research tools can see the biology but can't predict response or run in a clinic. OncoPredict does it all. On tests, hospital already order. That's a $17.3 billion market, and it's pure software on data that already exists. Capture just 10% and that's $1.7 billion a year. The platform is already built. Next, we prove it on real patient datasets, pilot with partners, and scale towards that library, a tag for every tumor. We're 6 builders from Imperial and beyond. We're raising $1.5 to $2 million to build the dataset, validate the model, and run our first pilots. With OncoPredict, both patients receive the right treatment the first time. Thank you.